This guy just shocks the world. He's the president of Rwanda. His name is Paul Kagame. This guy has been cloned, and people said it's over 200 times. So here is it, if you can see him. You can see him properly. So this is the last time he made a public announcement, and this was on the 6th of June, this 2025, as you guys can see it. And thank you for doing what your country, blah blah blah, and stuff like that. And then he's known as the best president. He has a YouTube channel, all of that. Like, he's never skipped any event, you know. And this was a 4th of June, you know. And look at this now. And this is 4th of June again. And let me say this was the 3rd of June. So he's very active on his social media. Like, I don't know, was the admin. And then they came this. I'll show you. You're gonna have to see this. I'm about to show you. This guy he's been cloned, and people don't believe it. I post a video there, is on 60 something views. People saying like I've been lying and stuff like that, but I'm not. There we go. Statement from the Rwandan General Staff. The Armed Force of Republic of Rwanda announced to the Rwandan people and the public that their Supreme Commander, Paul Kagame, is seriously ill and that his health condition is critical. So this was the statement. The Rwanda Defense Force, RDF, wishes to inform the public that His Excellency President Paul Kagame is currently facing a serious health crisis. We confirm that the recent reports regarding his condition are accurate. The president's condition is very unstable this time, and he remains under intensive medical care by a specialized team, right? And this was 2 days ago, right? 2 days ago. And 2 days ago, that was like before he made a public comeback. From 6th of June, today as I'm speaking is 25th of June, and this statement came on the 23rd of June. And here he's coming, like from Europe, somewhere like that. He's been receiving medical treatments in Germany. Daisy. There we go. It's coming from the airplane, like from Germany to Rwanda and stuff like that. So my concern is people been saying that this thing has been happening so much. He's he has an ongoing like he's been on chemo or stuff like that. So people been saying he's been dead, but they keep on replacing him because, as you can see right now, he looks really tired and he looks super old. That he was he's like unstable. And for me, we don't trust those kind of things, like going to Europe, coming back, and you're not the same anymore. Just like Nelson Mandela. Actually, it's a new video coming, so make sure you hit the button, subscribe, activate the bell notification so you cannot miss the video every single day. So is the President Kagame a clone or not? As for me, I see this guy has been cloned. They clone him, right? They clone him, and then he needed to make a public appearance so bad because he is used to this type of publics. Like every time he has to appear like on social media. Every time. And as you can see, so this was yesterday. He meets Olusegun Obasanjo, the former president of Nigeria. Yeah, that's him. That's him. But the thing is, The brother has been cloned. He has been cloned because he's not looking the same anymore. All right. Now, what is the article says? Random president is not looking the same anymore. Paul Kagame. Let me know in the comment if you see he's the same or he's not the same. Because for me, I don't see he's the same. I see this guy has been cloned. And I saw that on a comment from someone from Rwanda, right? Because you guys need to know that Rwanda is a country. It's a country where this guy started the genocide in 1990, and then it's come to an effect, I think, in 1994. He killed the president of Burundi and the actual president of Rwanda. And then he claimed that they were killing Tutsis Rwandan by Hutus, which is like it's kind of big. I'm not gonna go into that right now, but almost half of Rwandan population got refuge in the DRC, and then from then on, it's been the destabilization of DRC and the entire region of the Great Lake. Rwandan President Kagame reappears after health rumors denied. Rwanda President Kagame has met Nigeria former President Olusegun Obasanjo as his office denies rumors that he's ailing. You can see this guy. He ain't the same, man. I don't know. How can I zoom this picture here? There we go. I got it. This guy has been clowned, man. I don't know if you guys seen this, but Paul Kagame, he doesn't smile like this. This guy, there's something wrong over here, man. I was like, man, Mr. Kagame, what happened to you, man? I don't know. Maybe this is a white dude from Germany or something like that. You know, this guy's been clowned, bro. Like, damn. He's not the same anymore because I mean the country cannot just go quiet like that and then they say you are not supposed to communicate everything. People should at least know, like the president went to get treatment in South Africa, in Germany and stuff like that. You can at least say something instead of just like going quiet, boom. And then 2 days before you appear, we saw an article, an announcement from the Rwandan Defense Force that said the guy is unlikely to make it. But after that, because they deleted it, that poster, and then after that, they delete this poster that says it. And then after that, 2 days after, and then boom, the guy just reappear. It's like he's good. Like nothing is wrong. Nothing is super wrong. He's good. He's meeting up with people. He's meeting up with presidents from other countries in Africa and stuff like that. And then he's continuing some events. Like nothing was happening. I don't know. How are you justifying that? You guys tell me. How are you going to justify that if it's not a clone? It's what now? Because I would have believed it if we didn't see the poster from RDF, Rwandan Defense Force, right? But we saw the poster. So what? This guy is a soldier. First of all, you need to know he's a soldier. So he relies more on the military service of his country, right? This is what he is. Like he's a military. Like that's how they overtook the country, right? And bring up genocide in 1994, and then put some strict laws, some biggest regime that there are some runners that they leave away. They don't go back to their country just because of this guy. So in 2025 or something like that, they failed to identify everybody was like abroad, and if you are abroad, you cannot go back to your country. Like that, no, it's not gonna happen. All right. Because of him, there is so many people. Like one of the biggest singer in Rwandan history, his name is Corneille. That guy is stuck in France. Like now he's Canadian now. I don't know you guys if you know about Corneille. You tell me. He always talking about his father, how his father was killed, right? And this guy's regime doesn't allow those guys to go back to their country. And people keep on saying, clapping, oh, good president, blah blah. Yes, he's good for what he is doing for his people, but he also works for what he did for other people, man. Like, you know, it's a bittersweet. Like, you win some, you lose some. You're never gonna be good to everybody. You're never gonna be great enough to everybody. You're never gonna be bad to everyone. It's all like that. So Paul Kagame made an appearance again after being uh after being dead. Like, he was dead actually. That's why they stayed quiet. They couldn't announce anything. It's not like it was in a critical condition, but nah, he was dead. So this is just a clone, like, of Paul Kagame. I know what you guys saying, but drop a comment below there. It's just that's it, man. That's it. If you're new here, please hit the button, subscribe, activate the bell notification. I will see you in the next video, guys. Ciao.